Hey guys, it's KB here and you are watching KB Editing Zone. So today in this video I am going to show you the best text animation app ever. So this is the part 2. If you haven't checked part 1, I will give the link in the description and also in the I button. So open your Play Store application and search for Hype Text. So this is the application. I am using the mod version. If you want the mod version, you can DM me on Instagram. I will give the link of my Instagram in description. You can also use the Play Store version, but you will find the watermark and only some of the animation are free. So let's open the application. So after you open the application, you can see the interface like this. You can see on the top there are many categories, so I am choosing the title here. So you can find different title animation and you can find your social media's animation, lower thoughts and fire text animation and code animation. Similarly, you can find the logo animation here. And you can find the animation for your YouTube here. You can make the YouTube subscribe animation and many more. You can find the animation for the advertisement, subtitles, and you can find many creative animations and many more. On the top you can find the intro section where you can create different types of intro here. And similarly you can find the Instagram section where you can create Instagram posts and stories. Now on this all section you can find all the animation here. So you can find the intro animation here, you can find the title animation, and you can find the typography animation, and you can find the logo animation and many more. So you can see here many creative animation you can find here. You can also find the neon animation here. So you can check here. So I will slowly show you all the animation here. So you can also check by yourself. So you can also find some of the animation from the CapCut application here. So this is the best application I have ever found that has the best text animation ever. So it consists of all the text animation here. So you can use this text animation for your YouTube videos, for the advertisement, and for creating different types of logo thoughts and many more. So you can have a look on them. So in the coming videos I will show you how to create the lyrical videos with this application. So stay tuned for that. So for now let's have a look on more of the animation here. So you can see here the rolling text animation looks pretty beautiful. You may notice that my voice sounds little bit odd because I am suffering from common cold. Hope you understand. Let's have a look on more of the animation here. You can also find the call out animation here, which is used in the reviews video. You can find this call out animation in the app like Filmora, which is the PC video editor. You can find that in this application too. So it's a pretty cool application. So there are lots of text animation in this application. Now let's go to the top and create one of the text animation. So let's see how to create text animation here. Now choose any of the template that you want to create here. So I'm choosing this. Then you can choose the background from here. So I'm choosing the black background, and I'm choosing the duration 6 seconds and canvas ratio 16:9. So after that you can find this option. So I will adjust the text here. So after that you can find this edit option and you can edit your text from here. So you can see the maximum character you can add here. So I'm adding my channel name here. After you are done with the first, go to the second text and add another text here. So on the bottom you can find different options for the customization of your text. So you can choose font from this option, and you can choose different color combination from this color option, and similarly from the outline option you can add stroke to your text, and from the shadow option you can add shadow. So you can see there is a text 1 and text 2. So you can change this text option to add different effects to the different text. After customizing your text, you can find this option. Now if you want to add music, you can find there is a music option. So click on that. So you can find different music in this music library. You can also find an option to import from local if you want to add music from your internal storage. And similarly, you can find the sound option to add sound effects. So our text animation is ready now, you can see here. To export the video, click on the top right option and you can save as video or green screen or GIF, and you can choose the resolution you like and export the video. So in this way you can easily create the text animation using this application.